Good morning, everybody. Bigrich here with the Hot Fish Rescue, and what we're going to do is feed the fish, take care of them, and then we're going to go and handle some stuff outside. So stick with us. Are you done yet?
You around if you don't stop it.
A bit of marine pellets. Now we're going to take our food to the other side. Look at the alligator guards down here. You got the albino right here. You can reach down next and pet him. Here, give me the camera and see if you can. Hoover's going to try and pet the alligator guard. He said, nope, I ain't having none of that. Oh, well, it was worth a try, Hoove. Come on over here. Did you at least touch him?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, now these bass, these guys here, watch how excited they get. Ooh. Oh, you guys want some? Where's the hole? Here's the hole. Ready? Oh, gone. Gone. Nope. Gone. Woo! They love this raw shrimp. Market prawns. Oh, you spit it back out. Somebody eat that or I ain't giving you no more. There you go. Oh, that almost hit the ground. You can come in closer. Follow that shrimp down. Oh, they got it. Oh no, I think we're at the end of our feeding. I'll try one more piece. Oh, he got it. We'll try it. No, he spit it back out. If they let it hit the floor, I'm done. Ooh, that was close.
Yeah.
Follow that down. Can you see it?
Yep.
Yep, that's it. They're not interested so much no more. I'm gonna give them a handful of pellets.
Look at them go. Look at them, they're striking it.
Let's try one more over here. Anybody interested?
Over here. Go ahead.
Oh, they got it.
You got it.
They needed a little break. That's what they needed. I like feeding them till they're full. Yes, that Temence has come up and got it.
Yeah, they're striking that good.
Get it, get it, get it. Somebody get it. All right, we're done. Okay, before we go into the fish room, I'm gonna feed these guys real quick. These are the goldfish and the sturgeon. Man, I can't get this lid off of this. That's a ridiculous lid. There we go. Alrighty, let's go inside. This cleared up too. This was real cloudy we put in a bunch of food. What was it? I think it was 10 pounds we put in there.
About 10 pounds, yeah.
Shrimp and tilapia. All right, come on over here. These guys, I feed the frozen bloodworms. And I put it in this container, and it disperses it slowly, and they'll eat through that. Give them a little bit of flake food, and a little bit of flake food over here too. Get some perked up in their eating. Oh, look at her. Look down in here. She's tore up. See the chunks out of her side?
Yeah.
That's from the male trying to flip her over. So they're breeding in here too. Must be something in the water lately. All right, I'm gonna take this over for Thanos. And, well, just foot there. And the turtle here. Stop. Here you go, buddy. Yeah, he likes them. Yeah, he likes them.
Yeah, he loves them.
All right, come on over here and watch Thanos. He is a character. He is so funny. He'll spin upside down. I like this guy. He's neat.
Look at him. Look at him go.
Get you some, buddy.
Sees it. There you go.
Sometimes he'll actually flip upside down, trying to get to the food. Come on, buddy. Right here. He's still chewing. There he goes. Yeah, he is so neat.
He's looking around. We'll find it. There he goes.
No. Over here, buddy. Come on, over here. Looks like he's still chewing his food.
Yeah, he is.
What was that?
Stuck at another piece.
All right, now take a look at this. See the cichlid tank? Wait, let me walk up on there and watch them form, and then you can come up on them. Look at that. Isn't that neat? All right, come on up and watch them eat. They're like a feeding frenzy. Look down here at all the babies. See all the little ones back in there?
Yeah, I see him.
Oh, there's the puffer fish.
Oh yeah, the puffer's over there. I didn't even know he was over there yet.
Ready? Let's see what we got over here. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and take that puffer fish out of there because I don't feed that tank anything but pellets. Now this tank, I feed pellets in the morning, and then Josh feeds the shrimp and tilapia at night. So the puffer would be better off in here getting chunks of shrimp and tilapia, and I don't have to add food to that tank for one fish. Oh, I'm out of food here. Alrighty. Makes it easier if you don't have to add fish into a tank where you don't have to put certain special food in there, and you don't have to change your normal habits. Now here I feed the pellets enough to where it goes in, they all eat it, and then it gets to the bottom, and even the bottom feeders can come out and eat pellets. And then, you know, some stays floating, so the little guys get that. Now later on today, we'll be working on this Hoover. I've got the wood, so we're gonna cut the wood for that stand, and then we're gonna put this tank up on there. That's something else we'll be doing today. Because there's too much snow to work outside. Ugh, look at that. It's too much. Oh, goodness. All right. Oh yeah, they ate all them greens.
There's little foot, y'all. Back in there, he's coming out.
There you go, buddy. We have some pellets left over here. Okay, now that's pretty much all the pellets that I feed in the morning. We fed that tank last night and this tank last night. So we're feeding Josh's food too at night, the shrimp and tilapia. Me and Hoover did that last night. And we came out here, the whole thing was 20 pounds of food, right?
Yeah.
Because we gave 10 to just the 4,400.
10 to that, yeah.
Oh, and the pool.
In the pool, yeah.
So it was more than 20 pounds because
it was about 30, 35, somewhere around there.
It was a lot of food we fed last night. And you know, the filtration cleaned it up overnight, so I'm happy with that. All right, I think that's all the pellets that we have to feed. Oh no, I forgot the little baby guppy tank. Now we gave away a bunch of the guppies, you can see them up in here, that was in here because we found out that crayfish that's in here, that blue lobster, was eating the guppies. So this is basically a snail tank and then the lobster. So every once in a while we're gonna throw food in there for the lobster, and we can't have fish in there if he's eating the fish. All right, Hoove, let's go out there and, what are you looking at me all weird for?
Cuz, man, you got clothes on, man. I thought you was a penguin, man.
No, I got
socks on, man.
I got socks and my coveralls. Do you know it's like 18 degrees outside and snowing?
Man, penguins can take it if you're a real penguin.
No, I'm getting dressed to go out there today.
Oh, wow.
I'm gonna bobcat the driveway, so I'm gonna be out there for a little bit. I can't be doing that in shorts.
Why not?
Because it's a cold seat covered in snow.
Well, penguins can take the cold.
I don't know where you get this penguin thing. I never claimed to be a penguin.
No, I don't know. I'm just saying. Run around with no shoes on all the time and no pants, just a pair of shorts.
Let me see. We got
all year round.
I need this key. Back in my younger days, maybe, but not now. Okay. So what we're going to do is move the van first, and then we're going to have to jump that bobcat. I know it's dead.
Yeah.
Look at that. What's that? At least 6 inches since yesterday.
Yeah. Yep.
Pull that door closed. all I'm doing is cutting the walkway so my shoes don't get covered in snow until we can get the bobcat up and running. All right, we need, I don't know why this is over here. I had it sitting out here yesterday.
I put it over there yesterday. I tried to get it out of the way so it ain't covered in the snow.
Okay, I had to hook the positive up right in there, and I couldn't get to it to clamp it on except from above, and there's no negative showing, so I clamped it on the alternator bracket onto a fresh bolt that has no paint on it. So Hoover's bringing out our Okemo, our 2,000 watt battery backup system. We have used this thing for everything. So far it has come in so handy for us. Okay, plug that in there. Turn it on.
Powered on. Now you have to do the AC thing, right?
No, you don't touch nothing. As long as it's on, you're on. Oh my God, this is so slippery. Okay, let's turn the charger down and let it charge for a little bit, and we'll come back out here. Okay, we couldn't get the thing started, so we decided to come up here and go grocery shopping while it's charged. We waited 20 minutes on it, and it barely turned over. So we left it charged, and we're up here grocery shopping now. That's how our days work at OFR. Grocery shopping and shrimp shopping for fish at Mark's. Okay, we got it started up. I can't tell you how happy I am with this Okemo battery. We don't have to run extension cords. It's come in handy so many times. It's amazing. All right, let me get this disconnected and we'll start plowing. Okay, driveway is all plowed, and Hoover just backed the van back up next to the Bobcat, and you can see his footprints here. So it's already got back about a ½ inch of snow. Hopefully it stops pretty soon, but I'm leaving the Bobcat out there just in case. Okay, now what we're going to do is cut the piece of wood to fit the top of the stand to put the tank up on there real quick. Now I've got it marked off. I got to cut it real quick. Just take this stuff here.
Flip it over, right?
I'm going to get all the dust off first. Alright. Put it back here. Don't worry about the camera. Okay, so now we got the wood cut. It's sitting on the stand. We need more people. Me and Hoover can do it, but it hurts me to bend over. So to bend over and pick up a 265 is going to be rough. Now, if, say, somebody else is here, Reaper and Hoover could pick up this end together. I could grab the end and hold it. They could go pick up the other end and we can set it up there. But for right now, we're going to let this go. We know the wood's cut. All we got to do is get this tank to sit on there, and that project is done. I wouldn't mind spray painting that black first before we do it, to where you don't see no big bright blonde wood sticking out under the tank. So we'll get that done next. Figured while I had the saw out, I might as well cut the piece of wood for this tank too. So now it'll go underneath there. I got to stain this one brown and paint the other one black, and we will be done. So that's going to finish it for today. It's starting to get dark outside. You can see out the glass block windows, it's dark. It's going to finish it off. All I've got is the evening feeding, and I'll do that on another video that has all the shrimp and tilapia for all the fish. But thanks for sticking out with us today and hanging out with us. You know, hope you enjoyed the video. And as always, stay fishy, my friends.